Welcome back to the channel. So today we have an unboxing of the triple black off-white Presto on the left and the comparison between that and the OG Presto on the right. A lot of people have been speculating which one is the better pair, and in my opinion still the OG Presto, is above the white and the black one, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick review and a comparison between them, and I'll let you guys decide. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's get right into it. First thing, I'm gonna compare the boxes of the sneakers. So both of them have the Nike swoosh off-white box. We opened it up. Same design, tissue paper, the red Nike logo on the inside. So no differences between the OG and the new one. They've kept everything the same. I know with the Jordan ones, they switched the boxes. So just to clarify, these ones are the same. So let's get right into the shoes. So right off the bat, we noticed one thing that they didn't copy with the triple black, and that's the fact that the OGs have 3 separate pairs of laces along with the white ones on them. So it has white already laced up, and it has the black ones, orange, and the neon green. So this comes with 4 laces, and this one only comes with the black that's on it and an orange pair of laces. I'm really not sure why they did that. I would have appreciated a couple more laces with it, especially since it's an all black shoe. I think you can throw a lot of combinations on it and have it match. But so they only put 1 extra lace with this, and that's the first difference we noticed. Alright, now that we got the box and the laces out the way, let's get right into the sneakers themselves. So I do want to mention that there are really no material differences on these shoes. The only thing that feels a little bit different to me is this Nike swoosh right here. On this one, it's a little bit more of like a rougher feel. Like on my pairs, maybe that just depends on the pair, honestly, but when I compare it to this one, it feels a little bit more smooth here. I'll give you guys a closer look. Maybe you guys could tell the difference. So this is the triple black Nike swoosh. Zoom in right there. And then this is the OG one. So I mean, you guys could kind of tell there's a little bit of a difference, but I'm really not sure. I can't really confirm that. It's just like, a feeling that I'm getting. So other differences, the netting, I'm gonna show you guys side by side comparison so you guys could really tell, right here. So netting is the same on both of the pairs. No major differences. We get to the tongue, same foam-like tongue going up the pairs. Both have the rope-like laces. Nike tongue right here. Same white and red Nike tongue. And then the red stitching we have on the OG pair is also apparent on the red pair. So I think it's a really good touch because the shoe's pretty much all black, and then that red hit, it's pretty cool. Getting into the medial sides of the sneakers. So this is the triple black that just released. Let's get right into the medial side. So you can see the off-white branding. It's kind of covered by the cages. And then we have Presto written on this last cage. And compare that to the OG one. Once again, the Made in China tag, and then we have the off-white written on the medial side. And then of course Presto written right here. And then we switch it, we have the Air branding right here on the OG pair. And they kept it consistent with the black one, again in the white writing. No major differences, nothing like that. It's all the same, material. The outsole, of course, we have the Duralon outsole that is used on Prestos. Didn't make any changes there. As I'll show you guys side by side. OG, new released, right there. Insides, of course, I have to show you guys the insoles. So this is the triple black pair once again. We have the 10 with the off-white arrows, and then of course we have the same insole on the OG, the 10 with the off-white arrows. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's really no differences material wise. It's just the colorway, that sets them apart. This one obviously being triple black, a little bit more wearable with different things, and this one stands out a little more with the transition between the cream outsole and like the upper. So I do want to give you guys a quick unboxing review of the triple. So obviously you guys just saw the comparison between the triple black and the OGs, but I want to give you guys a quick unboxing of the triple black one. So we have the red zip tie. Obviously that's on pretty much every off-white shoe with the exception of a couple. Of course the Made in China tag. We have all black sneaker, all black cages, Nike swoosh black. Going all around, we have all black until we hit the Air logo. Of course, we have the white writing. White and silver swoosh with the orange tab right here. Stands out really well. And then of course we have the white and red Nike logo on the tongue with the red stitching that I showed you guys. And yeah, overall this is a really great sneaker. I do prefer this one over the white one. I think this one just a little bit, it's gonna last a little bit longer without getting like super dirty or anything. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully this comparison helps you guys decide which pair you like more. Once again, I still go with the OGs by far. Especially, I mean, having them in hand, I think the OGs just look a lot better. I think both of the sneakers actually look a lot better in person than they do in pictures. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this comparison, please hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to that channel for more. Check out my other off-white videos. I'm really trying to do a lot of off-white videos on this channel, so if you enjoyed them, just let me know. Show some support and I'll keep doing them. And with that said, thank you and until next time.